Planning a getaway? Explore these top-rated day trips near Lille, featuring breathtaking views, cultural landmarks, and outdoor adventures for all.
Remember that you have the links to all the activities in the description.
Embark upon a unique guided tour through the enchanting city of Lille aboard an iconic Citroën Torque-CV, a vehicle emblematic of France's rustic charm. This charming automobile offers a nostalgic experience, reflecting the country's quintessential aesthetic. A blend of traditional craftsmanship and modern flair. Customizable tours cater to various durations, ranging from 30 minutes to 1.5 hours, accommodating up to 3 passengers comfortably. Each journey begins with an expertly crafted narrative by your knowledgeable guide, who shares captivating stories about the bustling metropolis. Along the way, your guide will also provide valuable insights into the best local attractions and hidden gems waiting to be discovered. Discover thrilling adventures tailored specifically for couples embarking on their journey as new spouses. Engage in captivating quests across the heart of Flanders, celebrating the upcoming nuptials of the bride-to-be. Embrace an array of engaging challenges centered around the customs and traditions associated with marriage worldwide. Unleash your competitive spirit and strive for unparalleled scores. This is your chance to savor unforgettable moments while creating cherished memories that will last a lifetime. Prepare to unleash your sense of humor and enthusiasm as you embark on this exciting celebration. Embark on a captivating 2-hour guided walk through Lille's enchanting heart, where architectural marvels, bustling streets, and historical treasures await discovery. As you traverse this historic district, immerse yourself in the rich tapestry of Lille's heritage and history, with your knowledgeable guide illuminating the paths through Lille's renowned landmarks and monuments. Marvel at the grandeur of the Palais Rieur, the heart of medieval Lille, before exploring the picturesque Old Stock Exchange, the bustling Old Town Square, and the opulent Opera House. Delve into the storied world of commerce at the Chamber of Commerce, while admiring the serene beauty of Notre Dame de la Traille Cathedral. Lille will come alive as you embark on an electrifying Christmas-themed gaming experience. Embark on a journey through the heart of Lille's bustling downtown, where you'll find yourself immersed in a lively digital adventure. Your objective: unravel intricate puzzles, decode challenging riddles, and claim rare treasures to maximize your score. Prepare to immerse yourself in the vibrant atmosphere of the city's historic chalets, where the scent of warm mulled wine, and perhaps even fresh gingerbread, will envelop you in a feast for the senses. As you navigate this captivating labyrinth, simply grab your smartphone and let your curiosity lead the way. Embark on an enriching journey through the vibrant heart of Lille, one of the foremost cultural hubs in France. With the Lille City Pass, this comprehensive pass offers unparalleled convenience and flexibility, allowing visitors to explore the city's most iconic landmarks without the hassle of purchasing individual tickets. Upon arrival, embark on a memorable ride in a luxurious convertible bus, which transports you effortlessly through the diverse landscapes of Lille. Your itinerary includes a series of captivating stops, each designed to offer a unique perspective on the city's rich heritage and contemporary spirit.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.